Well, hey, everybody, come on in to Jenny's. We're going to talk early activation and what we can do after 7 o'clock Saturday. And you want to know. If you're not one of our crazy friends, well, look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we have here all the time. All right, everybody. Thank you for coming back by. And please like and share the video. And somewhere along the line, leave a 3-word comment, because that's what YouTube wants. And if you would for me, I'd like for you to watch an ad. I truly appreciate it. I love you bunches. And blessings. Okay, now let's talk about this early activation deal. Everybody. The Pepsi after 7 o'clock on Saturday will be 3 for $5 instead of the 2 for $3.50, I think it is. Okay, 3 for $5 instead. So if you're going to be doing the buy the 2 Red Baron pizzas for $10, do 3 Pepsis, or you can do 1 Pepsi and 2 Mountain Dews. Or, Diet Pepsi, but one of them has to be a Pepsi. So pick up the 2 Red Baron pizzas and 3 Pepsi products. You'll have $15 right there, and you'll be getting $2.75 off of that. And that's because that's the original cost of the Pepsi 2 liter. Okay, it's going to give you that whether you get this deal or not. So you have to add something else to that, to do your 5 off 25 scenario. And you can pick and choose from any of the deals that I gave you this week to add to this. Or you can just do this by itself. Saturday dinner after all the shopping's done. But it is early activation because this deal actually begins on Sunday. And if you're new and you don't know about early activation, what happens on Saturday night at 7 o'clock, the computer starts clicking over to next week's ad. And to be fair about everything, it gives you the best price when you get rung up after 7 o'clock. Okay? So the best price for this, if you have 3 of them, is going to be 3 for $5. And then, of course, your coupon will kick in. Now, that being said, after 7 o'clock, if you are in a Generation 2 store, and there's no way to really know, except for to know if you go in after 7 o'clock, your 5 off of 25 does not seem to work. Okay? And that's because, for some reason, in the Generation 2 stores, it's not connecting that it's still Saturday when everything is switching over. So try to have a paper 5 off 25 with you if you're going to do any early activation deals. Or hopefully your manager will honor the 5 off of 25 and, adjust things accordingly. Now, let's see what else we might have that we could add to this early activation deal for you. And I get my early activation information, you guys, from ladysavings.com. So just Google that and you can get some early activation information yourself sent right to your mailbox. Also, early activation, you got 2 liters for the Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, A&W Root Beer, and 7-Up 3 for $5. Easter is right around the corner. You're going to have company. There you go. A great way to save for when your company comes. Now, as far as early activation, that's about it that I see that we might have coupons for. The instant savings of $5 is still going on with the Suavitel and the Colgate, Hello, Fabioso, Ajax, Palmolive, Murphy's Oil Soap, and Irish Spring, and Soft Soap. Now, also on the early activation, you've got the buy two, get one free on your Reese's Kisses and the Reese's Eggs and the mini eggs. They are $3.75. So those are buy two, get one free. And, of course, all your Purex, Snuggle, all products, the small ones, will be on sale for $3.75. And so you know, the Coke products are not on sale this coming week, okay? So you need to go get what Coke that you're going to get today, because the Coke products are not on sale this coming week. And right now, they are. So, there you go, guys. Early activation information. And I hope that helped you out with your Saturday shopping. So, blessings. We'll talk again real soon. Don't forget, leave me a 3-word comment. Make YouTube happy.